Hello! This is Golu. Golu is a little baby elephant. Golu is walking in the green jungle. He swings his trunk and feels happy. Suddenly, Golu stops. He looks around slowly. Oh, there is a muddy puddle on the ground. Golu slips a little, but Golu is not scared. Golu thinks carefully. He uses his trunk to balance. Golu comes out safely. He smiles and feels proud. Golu finds his mama. They are happy together. The end. It's slime time.